it's me, Bluebird Rocks, and my name is Eva. And so today I will be going over my Glam Goo set. It's really cute. It's a little perfume bottle purse, and it holds slime. It's really cool perfume bottle. Has glitter. It's super cool, and I'll be showing you and just reviewing this to see if you want to get it. I got it at Target. If you ever if you ever want to get it, so make sure to go to Target if you want this. First, you have to watch the video though. So what you do first is it comes with slime you can make, and I'm just reviewing my slime. So you take off this thing off of the heart on this, and it reveals some slime. I made this slime, all the slimes I made. But if you want to copy this slime, that's totally okay with me. It's really pretty. It's almost kind of sticky, but it's really pretty purple color. I love it so much. And the set comes with everything that you would need, even a spoon. You don't need a bowl for it, so it's perfect. I love it. So it's the deluxe pack, but I love this purpley slime I have here. I'll talk about my ring later. So yeah, that's my purpley good slime I have, and you can put scent in these. I put violet in all of them, and you just pop this thing back onto the little heart, and there you've got it. To open this, what you do is you just turn the latch on the top, so it's like that. You turn it that way, and it should be opening. Oh yeah, it just got stuck. And it has this little tray thingy. So you just lift that up so your slime doesn't dry out, and you have all your slime containers. So it's really fun. I love all my slimes so much. Especially when they're like so pretty looking, like these ones. So I'm gonna start off with wrong column of slime. I have these little slime column things, just little slime orders I do. So I'll show you the first three, these ones. This one is my icicle slime. I love it so much. It's so sparkly and pretty. So there's that slime. Very pretty. And at the same time, very crunchy. So that's the first slime. These slimes are very pokeable. And then I have my snowflake slime. Super pretty. I know. And it's really crunchy. It's probably my crunchiest slime I have. Okay, and then for this, it's getting stuck in the container. Anyways, I haven't named this one yet, so comment down below for a name for this one. You know, comment down below a name for this slime or your favorite type of slime. So it's super pretty. And we can just drizzle that in. I think that's one of my favorite slimes. All of them are my favorite. I love the confetti slimes I'm about to show you. This is my first confetti slime. Super pretty. I feel like I'm super far away from it. Okay. So, this is one of the slimes. So yeah, that's one of them. And then I have this super pretty slime. Next, I have this clear slime. All my confetti and all my slimes were clear when I started out making them. Came with clear glue. Anyways, that's super pretty. Only a small batch for my classic ones I'm about to show you. So this is my purple classic slime. Super pretty. That one's the only one that has glitter in the classic slimes. And my pink classic slime.
What happened to like the Ninja Warrior course?
And then on my blue.
Dad, you're gonna need to put that lower.
Anyway, so sorry about my brother. He didn't know I was making a video. So that's all my slimes. I know. Sorry. And you just put the little thing back in, twist the cap back, and there you've got it. It's a little purse too. You can wear that around. And I have one last thing to show you. It comes with this ring. It's super pretty. It's big. And this is like one of the best ways to sneak slime in school. You just hide in this ring, you wear this ring in school, and then you've got slime at recess. Perfect. So, got this slime, super pretty. Put that back in. And, no, the cap. You have to make sure the cap, you have to make sure the lid goes in right. To that, you can put it on there. And there you've got it. That is my full slime collection. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite slime. Okay, bye!